What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Little Bo Peep from Toy Story. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we line at the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupils. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from here, we move to the center. Let's draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down, then up. Let's step up and draw a shorter curve going across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down again. We're going to draw the mouth from left to right, curving this down and up. Add a small bracket on the ends. Now I'm going to add some thickness to the lips. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Draw a small V. On the top of the left side of the V, curve this down and out toward the left, and then the right. And we'll draw the lower lip, coming down from the left and then up. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw a curve for the hair, starting on the left, then it's down in the middle, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve this around, go up towards the top in the middle, go all the way across, come down on the right, and then we'll bend that in. Let's add a little bit of texture of hair over on the left side with two curves. In between the hair and the eyes, we're going to draw a curve for the eyebrows, going up and then down. Now let's continue around the side of the head, starting from the left, bend this out and then down toward the left and then the right side. Go back to the left, we're going to curve the head, coming down and in just underneath the mouth, across the chin, and then back up. Let's draw the outside of the hair. We're starting on the left, bend this out, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. And then we're going to add in the ears. Starting on the left side, bend this out, and then in. And then along the top, we're going to add a fold. Let's add some thick lashes across the eyes. We're going to start from the inside of the left eye, go wider as you go towards the outside, then down, then angle that back in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're going to fill the inside of the lashes in black. Now with the face complete, let's draw the outside of the hat. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, right here, and let's start with a point. Let's bend this out toward the left, go all the way around the head, and now I'm going to bend that in just underneath the ear. Let's go back up to the top. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, come down the side, and now I'm just going to bend that in, again, just underneath the ear. Let's add a trim along the inside. Again, starting from the top, draw an even space gap all the way around, and come down underneath the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Start over on the left side, bend this out, and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing. And we'll connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right, and then along the top, draw a straight line. Let's add that weave pattern in the center, starting from the top left, coming down, go out, and then down towards the bottom right, go up to the top right, and go in the opposite direction to create that weave. Let's add a trim, two more lines coming down. Now up here, we're going to add a series of curves, just working our way down towards the bottom. Let's move to the side of the body. We're going to add those big puffy shoulders. Starting on the left, we're going to go out, down and in, almost like drawing a circle. Let's go back to the hips and draw the outside of the dress. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this out and then down. Exact same thing on the right. Let's connect the ends with the curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back up to the top, add a curve coming down and out on both sides. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the dress with some large polka dots. We're going to start from the left side, just working our way around. Add some along the edge. Go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we're going to curve the feet, coming down and up on either side. Then we're going to bend the foot, going up and then in underneath. We want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet, so we're just going to trace each of those curves along the top. Let's add an opening along the top of the foot with a curve. Now let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw in the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding that cane. So we're going to start from the side of the sleeve, bend this down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. And then bend the palm coming in. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, add another one going up underneath the thumb. And then we're going to do that one more time. Let's add a straight line going in behind the hand. Starting from the bottom finger, bring this all the way down towards the bottom, just lining this up with the feet. We're going to extend this above the hand. Now right here, we're just going to bend this in, swirl this around, come down, and then back out. Let's round up the end and just trace this entire curve, going all the way back in towards the hand, stretch this all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll close this off with a curve. Let's go back to that bottom finger and bend the palm coming in and then up, step down, bend the arm going up underneath the sleeve. Let's trace top edge of that cuff. Now let's move over and draw on the right arm, starting underneath the sleeve, bend this out and then down. Add a small half circle for the thumb and close this off with a bracket. Let's add those 3 fingers, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to bend this all the way up underneath the sleeve. We're going to add that same trim. Now we're going to add those 2 pigtails coming along the back, starting up here. Start with a curve, just a small curve for the band. Go back to the side, bend the hair going around, in behind the arm, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Little Bo Peep from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.